It's been raining almost every day, so this is the perfect time for this delicious and easy to make chicken soup, chicken tinola. Let's prep the veggies. Chop one onion into pieces about half an inch. Cut 2 knobs of ginger into slices. I never eat the ginger, so I leave the skin on. Grate 1 clove of garlic and keep about 100 grams of spinach on the side. Get about a pound of chicken wings or boneless chicken thighs if you don't like eating around the bone. Separate the drumettes from the flats or cut the thighs into bite-sized pieces. Heat a pot to medium-high and put in about a tablespoon of oil. Add the onions and brown them a little bit. Throw in the chicken along with the ginger and garlic. Cook the chicken for a few minutes. If you're using wings, cook until the skin is slightly browned. Add 1 liter of water and 1 cube of chicken bouillon. Add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix, bring to a boil, and lower down to a simmer. After a few minutes, skim the gunk off the top, cover, and simmer for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes is up, adjust salt to taste and add a splash of fish sauce or a pinch of MSG. Add the spinach, stir, cover, and let simmer for about 10 more minutes. And that's it. Remove from the heat and serve with white rice. The full ingredient list is in the video description below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Amazon affiliate links below. Let me know if you made it and how it turned out in the comments. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you next time.